Thank you for watching this video on the Overhead Products YouTube channel. This video will present the Thermazone low-intensity infrared heater for industrial and commercial heating. In this short 5-minute video, you will see some of the features and benefits to using Thermazone and some examples of installation. Thermazone heaters are made in the USA by BBC Industries. Thermazone low-intensity infrared heaters are clean and safe. With no combustion, they are free from fumes and odors. They do not circulate dust, irritants, or allergens. Infrared heat does not move air. It heats directly, just like the sun, a gentle, comfortable heat that is very natural to people, animals, and plants. The Thermazone's superior thermal mass design means all the energy provided to the heater is converted into useful heat. This makes Thermazone heaters 95% energy efficient. These heaters are affordable and easy to install with no maintenance. Invisible infrared energy is absorbed by the floor, walls, and objects in the building, and then that energy is released to create thermal mass, or heat. Even when the heaters are off, the thermal energy in the building will continue to heat the space. Stratification occurs with traditional forced air. The heat is concentrated in the ceiling, so at the floor level, the temperature is uneven and inconsistent. Infrared light energy is directed at the floor, objects, people, and plants, which makes the temperature very comfortable. This is why infrared provides a more comfortable and consistent temperature when compared to traditional forced air systems. The Thermazone heater is the most efficient flat panel IR heater on the market. This is due to the flat panel heating filament. The heating filament is a single-stranded nichrome wire vacuum formed inside a ceramic fiber and silica board. The filament is formed on or near the face of the heater to encourage heat transfer out of the front of the heater instead of the back. Thermazone low-intensity infrared heaters create long-wave IR energy, which is not visible and does not glow or emit light. High-intensity infrared heaters are short-wave IR energy. They use bulbs, and they do emit light. The benefits of low-intensity, long-wave IR energy are better absorption, energy reduction, and more comfortable heat. Thermazone long-wave IR produces the most efficient electric infrared heat. Thermazone heaters create a mean radiant temperature that is warm and comfortable in all kinds of industrial applications: warehouses, hangars, fleet maintenance facilities, and greenhouses. Any building with a minimum ceiling height may benefit from low-intensity infrared heat. The Thermazone heaters come in 1 foot, 2 foot, and 4 foot lengths, 12 inches wide by 5.5 inches deep, with a stainless steel grid. There are a variety of controls to support your project needs. These heaters can be controlled for multiple zones and phases. A popular option is the exact logic controller that limits temperature in a large space to 55 degrees per California Title 24. This controller is backnet and capable of many control types: programmable Honeywell thermostats and single spring-wound timers. Depending on the application, there is a recommended and appropriate method for mounting the Thermazone heaters so as not to interfere with other appliances or obstacles in the overhead, utilizing bracket, chain, or unistrut. Overhead Products offers a portable Thermazone IR heater as well. This portable low-intensity infrared heater is available exclusively through Overhead Products. This portable heater has a 30-foot cord and industrial plug that works with 208 or 240-volt single phase. If this unit were accidentally knocked over, an internal tip switch would power the unit off. This heater was designed for NFPA 30A 7.6.6 compliance. This heater will not exceed 750 degrees and is safe for use where alternative fuel vehicle maintenance is performed. This heater is keeping fleet maintenance mechanics warm and comfortable in shops all over North America. At Overhead Products, we have represented Thermazone and other leading low-intensity infrared heating products for over 40 years. We pride ourselves on being industry product specialists and offer every customer complimentary consulting and support throughout the project. Starting with consultation, our representatives prepare a heat loss analysis, determining the right heating options. We offer electric, gas, or a combination of the two. A hybrid system can be achieved. As we work to decarbonize California, industrial businesses with existing gas heat can benefit from using Thermazone ELECTRIC low-intensity infrared heating. With every project, we prepare a layout and submittal, which includes the hanging and control options. We work with customers to ensure a great purchase experience and offer pre-construction Teams meetings, as well as ongoing phone support throughout the installation. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation and welcome an opportunity to speak with you in person. Please contact Overhead Products for your next industrial heating project. We look forward to working with you.